If you think Harley-Davidson cruisers are all about relaxed riding and classic styling, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout is here to change that idea completely. This is a motorcycle built to make an entrance, with a long, low stance, aggressive proportions, massive rear rubber, and the kind of presence that makes people stop and look. Welcome back to Ridezonebikes, and today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout, a factory-built custom that combines old-school attitude with modern performance and technology. At first glance, the Breakout looks like it has rolled straight out of a custom motorcycle shop. The design is dominated by its long 34-degree rake, stretched profile, bobtail rear fender, and huge 240mm rear tire. Up front, a tall 21-inch wheel gives the motorcycle a dramatic chopper-inspired appearance, while the wide rear tire creates an unmistakable muscular stance. Harley-Davidson has clearly designed this bike for riders who want attention rather than anonymity. The 2026 Breakout measures about 93.5 inches long and has a wheelbase of 66.7 inches. Despite its intimidating size, the seat sits relatively low, with a latent seat height of around 25.6 inches in the US specification. That low seat makes the motorcycle approachable at stops, while the stretched riding position gives it the relaxed cruiser character many Harley riders are looking for. But the Breakout is not just a styling exercise. Under that muscular exterior is Harley-Davidson's Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom engine. This massive 1,923 cubic centimeters V-twin is one of the biggest reasons the Breakout feels so special. The engine produces around 103 horsepower and approximately 126 pound-feet of torque in the US specification, with peak torque arriving at about 3,000 revolutions per minute. That means the motorcycle is built around strong, immediate low and mid-range performance rather than chasing extreme high RPM numbers. Twist the throttle and the Breakout delivers the kind of acceleration that makes a big V-twin feel completely different from a high-revving sport bike. There is a deep, muscular surge of torque, and the engine's character is as important as the numbers on the specification sheet. The power delivery is designed for effortless cruising, quick overtakes, and strong launches from a stop. The Milwaukee-Eight 117 Custom is paired with a 6-speed transmission, giving the Breakout enough flexibility for both city riding and highway cruising. At higher speeds, the long chassis and substantial weight help give the bike a planted feeling. With a running weight of roughly 681 pounds in US specification, this is definitely not a lightweight motorcycle, but that mass contributes to its substantial road presence. And then there is the exhaust note. Harley-Davidson has always understood that the sound of a motorcycle can be part of its personality, and the Breakout continues that tradition with a 2-into-2 staggered exhaust system. The result is a characterful V-twin soundtrack that fits the motorcycle's aggressive personality. The chassis is built around the same idea: stability, attitude, and style. The 34-degree rake creates the stretched front-end appearance that defines the Breakout. The 21-inch front wheel and massive 240/40/18 rear tire give it an unmistakable custom bike look. The rear tire is one of the biggest visual highlights, filling the space beneath the bobtail fender and giving the motorcycle a stance that looks almost exaggerated from certain angles. However, the long and low geometry also means this is not a sport bike. Harley lists lean angles of around 26.8 degrees on both sides, so riders should understand that the Breakout is designed primarily for cruising and dramatic road presence rather than aggressive corner carving. Its personality is about rolling into a corner with confidence, not attacking every bend like a supersport. Braking hardware includes a large 300mm front disc, giving the Breakout the stopping power necessary for a motorcycle of this size. Modern rider safety technology is also part of the package. Harley-Davidson includes rider safety enhancements, designed to help manage traction and braking situations when conditions become unpredictable. The technology story doesn't stop there. The 2026 Breakout gets customizable ride modes, allowing riders to tailor the motorcycle's response to different riding situations. There is also USB-C charging, full LED lighting, and a compact 4-inch analog-style gauge that keeps the cockpit visually clean while still providing essential information. Lighting is another area where Harley has modernized the classic formula. The motorcycle features a 146mm LED headlamp and LED turn signals, giving the front end a cleaner and more contemporary appearance while improving visibility. Fuel capacity is approximately 5 gallons, or 18.9 liters, which gives the Breakout enough range for long cruising sessions. And that brings us to the biggest question: who is the 2026 Breakout actually for? This motorcycle makes sense for riders who want something more dramatic than a conventional cruiser. If you want a bike that looks customized straight from the showroom, delivers serious V-twin torque, offers a low seat, and turns ordinary roads into a visual event, the Breakout makes a very strong argument. Its unique selling point is simple. Harley-Davidson has managed to capture the attitude of a custom-built chopper without requiring the owner to start modifying a stock motorcycle. The 240mm rear tire, 21-inch front wheel, long rake, bobtail fender, chrome and paint options, and massive 117 engine all work together as one factory package. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout isn't trying to be the fastest motorcycle, the lightest motorcycle, or the most practical motorcycle on the road. Instead, it focuses on something much harder to measure: personality. It has the visual drama of a custom bike, the torque of a big V-twin, the technology of a modern cruiser, and the unmistakable identity of Harley-Davidson. For riders who believe a motorcycle should make a statement before the engine even starts, the Breakout may be one of the most compelling choices in Harley-Davidson's 2026 cruiser lineup. It is long, low, loud in character, packed with torque, and impossible to mistake for anything else. So, would you choose the 2026 Harley-Davidson Breakout over a more traditional cruiser, or would you rather spend the same money on a different motorcycle? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, subscribe to Ridezonebikes for more new motorcycle reviews, specifications, performance breakdowns, and the latest bikes from around the world.